In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Sierra chart background color. This is a simple tweak that can make your charts easier on the eyes, improve contrast, and help you build a consistent look across your workspace. Whether you prefer a dark theme for late trading sessions or a lighter background for print clarity, you can switch it in just a moment. Start in Sierra Chart at the very top menu bar. Open the Global Settings menu. From there, choose Graphics Settings, Global. This option adjusts the appearance for all charts that follow your global preferences, which is helpful if you want a uniform style across your charts without changing each one individually. In the Graphics Settings window that opens, you'll see a list of items you can customize. Look for the entry labeled Chart Background. It may be grouped with other chart elements, so take a moment to scroll through the list until you find it. Once you see Chart Background, click the color box next to it. That opens your color selection window. Now pick the color you want to use as your chart background. If you trade for long stretches, consider a darker gray or muted tone to reduce eye strain. If you print charts or prefer a classic look, a soft off-white can work well. You can usually choose from preset swatches. Or, if available in your system's color picker, define a custom shade using RGB values for a precise match. Aim for a background that keeps your price bars, grid lines, and text clearly visible. High contrast improves readability, especially when you're zoomed out or watching fast markets. Click OK in the color picker to confirm your selection and return to the Graphics Settings window. Back in that window, click Apply to save the change and preview it on your charts right away. This is a great time to glance at your chart elements, like candles, studies, and grid lines, to make sure everything remains legible against the new background. If the contrast isn't quite right, click the color box again and adjust until you're satisfied. When you're happy with the result, press OK to close the Graphics Settings window. Your new background color is now set. If you don't see the change, double-check that you clicked Apply and that you were in Graphics Settings, Global. Also remember that individual charts can have their own overrides, so if one chart looks different, it might be using custom per-chart settings. That's it. Your Sierra chart background color is updated and ready to go.